Hello everyone and welcome back to Painting with Martin. Today I'm back with another model from Warlord Games Bolt Action series, and this is we're looking at the M3 Stuart, which I have assembled yesterday. It took a while, and it wasn't always as easy as I thought, and that comes down to me being really bad at assembling these models, and that's also the purpose of this video. I'm pretty good at painting stuff, and I can show you how to paint stuff, but when it comes to assembling stuff, no, it doesn't really work that way. So this is unprimed, as you can see here. It's unprimed. It's completely without any primer colors. It's just what it looks like when you have assembled it fairly successfully. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see a little bit more. Oh, that's what zooming in. So there you go, zooming out. So unfortunately, when you assemble a model like this, you make mistakes, and I made a few. So then you have these cracks here. I can see if I can show you. You can see these cracks here in between here and underneath here that you didn't really get the plastic pieces to fit. And instead of just leaving it like that, you can actually fix it. And I did another video like this a long time ago, but I'm going to show you this again because it shows a little bit better here. So what you do here is you can use two kind of solutions. You can use Green Stuff World from Citadel, which you mold in your hands and you put it into your model, or you can use something called plastic putty from Vallejo. This is a very old bottle I've had for many years because you don't tend to use it very often, and it's 100% acrylic resin in this one. So what you need is you need this one, or Green Stuff World. You need some kind of spatula. This one is from Army Painter, but you can also use a regular toothpick as well if you want to, and if you need something, you can use something smaller and more pointy as well, something like this. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take the plastic putty, squeeze it out in your palette like this, and it's very kind of like a gluey thing, and you put it a little bit on your model, or on your spatula, or on your toothpick, and you kind of like squeeze it in here, like as such. And you try to form a neat surface on this one, filling in the holes. And it may not look as great right now because you feel like, oh, I'm destroying my model, but you are not. You're actually fixing it. And it may take a couple of attempts. Try and put as little as possible on your spatula, and you work yourself up instead of just overdoing it. And continue doing that. I'm going to show you how to do it on one of these little things. Once you've applied it, then you will take maybe something with a flat surface, and you will just move it around so it creates a flat surface, taking away any excess. And when you've done that, making sure that it's nice and easy like this, then you will leave this to harden it. It will take maybe an hour or two, maybe a little bit longer. I usually leave it overnight, and then you will harden it, and then you can apply the primer after that. And if it still looks really bad, you can also apply battle damage over that area as well, which is a good way of covering over your mistakes. And for applying battle damage, see the link to my video exactly how to do this in the end screen. So this is a good way to fix these things. I have another one here and another one over here that I'm going to fix later on as well, but this just to give you a nice idea of how to do this. Now, I can zoom in here, see if you can see these things exactly. And it's otherwise a really nice model. I built these ones for my Russian army. And I'm going to show you how to paint this this Russian model as well, because I haven't got Russian armor on my channel so far as well. So if you stay tuned for more for that. Now, if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow. And for all of you who have subscribed to my channel so far, thank you so much. Please leave a comment in the comment section if you want to help me grow and show more visibility to other users. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.